Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Proton Calendar password step by step. It's important to know that Proton Calendar uses your Proton account password, so resetting your password will affect access to Proton Mail, Proton Drive, Proton Calendar, and other Proton services linked to the same account. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official Proton sign-in page. Click the Forgot Password link below the login form to begin the recovery process. Next, enter your Proton email address or username, then follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity. Depending on your account settings, Proton may send a verification code or ask you to use your configured recovery method. Once your identity has been verified, create a new, strong password. Use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters to make your account more secure. Avoid reusing passwords that you've used on other websites or services. After confirming your new password, sign in again using your updated credentials. If you have two-factor authentication, or 2FA, enabled, you'll also need to enter the verification code from your Authenticator app before you can access your account. Keep in mind that because Proton uses end-to-end encryption, resetting your password may affect access to certain encrypted data if you don't remember your previous password. Be sure to read any recovery warnings shown during the reset process and follow Proton's recommendations. And that's it. You now know how to reset your Proton Calendar password and regain secure access to your Proton account. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.